Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, sale, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive, outstanding party wear collections only for you. So let me display. This one also bright blue shade, royal blue shade, premium quality, pure handloom, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one full base part, transparent base, pure resham and beautiful with beautiful hand weaving, fully hand weaving jamdani work, bright royal blue shade, very smart, bright, elegant look. Fully hand weaving traditional jamdani work, fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, beautiful heavy work, full base. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, stripes, golden zari stripes. And this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful and smart looks. Golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, bright beautiful one, very elegant looks, elegant and traditional gorgeous looks, transparent pure resham silk with jamdani work, bright color. This one is pallu and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding gorgeous looks. This one also a beautiful one, black base with hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive, outstanding one, premium quality, pure handloom muslin with jamdani work, golden zari with contrast color, threaded weaving, hand weaving jamdani work. This one border portions, golden zari border and full border portions, very colorful threaded weaving design, fully hand weaving work, temple pattern weaving design, very colorful border. And this one full base part, muslin base, pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving, heavy jamdani work, golden zari with contrast color, threaded weaving jamdani work, very elegant, bright, beautiful, exclusive looks, bright black base. This one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu, this one is pallu and beautiful one, fully heavy worked pallu. This one also fully hand weaving work pallu. This one is pallu in golden zari stripes and this one is beautiful weaving design, fully hand weaving work, golden zari black contrast golden border, colorful, very elegant one, muslin. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality, premium export quality, pure resham silk with matka base. This one full base part, pure resham, premium quality, soft, comfortable, pure resham silk with hand weaving jamdani buta, very colorful also, bright magenta fresh pink shade with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, pure resham silk base. And this one half portion pure handloom hand spun matka, premium quality matka. This one is split section matka base. This one is running blouse piece. And this one upper portion pure resham silk with beautiful jamdani buta, very exclusive, elegant looks with silk mark also. And this one pallu in highlighted golden zari fine stripes with matka base pallu. And this one is upper base part, transparent with beautiful jamdani buta, very exclusive, outstanding, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful, bright color, bright fresh red shade, same material, premium quality, pure handloom, pure resham with matka, very nice one, beautiful, elegant looks. This one resham portions, upper portion, beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, very colorful, multi-color hand weaving jamdani work. And this one is resham silk, transparent pure resham silk. And this one pallu end. Golden zari stripes with matka base pallu, pure matka with golden zari fine highlighted stripes, and this one half portion is pure resham silk and half portion is matka, pure handloom hand spun matka premium quality. This one is pleat section and this one is upper base part bright red shade. This one is resham transparent with jamdani weaving Buddha design. Very elegant, smart looks, bright one, best for your party wear. This one is running blouse piece, pure matka base, pure matka half portion pleats and pure resham silk with jamdani hand weaving jamdani Buddha upper portion to pallu. Very nice one, elegant, smart, bright looks with silk mark also. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful, smart one. Let me open. Very elegant, trendy looks, magenta pink shade with beautiful hand weaving floral pattern jamdani work. This one full base part, beautiful muslin portion. This one is muslin transparent with beautiful hand weaving floral jamdani work, fully hand weaving work. And this one is matka base. This one is pleat section. Half portion is matka, half portion is muslin with jamdani work. Very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one a pallu in beautiful same weaving design, and pallu in this matka stripes, matka with muslin stripes, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving work. Very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Buddha work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, elegant looks. This one also very trendy one, stylish looks, same material. Today I have draped organza, pure organza Banarasi with beautiful digital printed one. Very nice one, smart, trendy, elegant look, same material. Today I have draped different color only. This one is full base part, and full base part is beautiful golden zari checks also, and this one is border portion, fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design border, Banarasi border with highlighted digital printed one. And this one is full base part, very elegant, smart, trendy looks. This one is full base, soft, comfortable, pure organza with golden zari weaving Banarasi work border. This portion is Banarasi work border, and full base part is digital printed one with checks design. Very elegant one. This one is beautiful running blouse piece printed. Very elegant, trendy, smart look, sky blue base, same material. Today I have draped different color only, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. Also same material, different color only, beautiful digital printed one, and very beautiful elegant color combinations also. Pure organza base contrast border, golden zari weaving design Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful checks design with digital printed one. Very exclusive, outstanding looks, same material. Today I have draped. This one is border portions, fine golden zari weaving Banarasi border, and this one is full base part checks pattern with beautiful digital printed one. Very trendy, smart looks. This one pallu and highlighted golden zari fine stripes with beautiful digital printed pallu, and this one is full base part. Very elegant, smart looks, beautiful color combinations. And this one is border portions, contrast color dye border with beautiful fine golden zari weaving Banarasi work border, and this one is full base part checks pattern, golden zari checks with beautiful digital printed one. Very smart, exclusive, outstanding looks. Same today I have draped different color only. This one is running blouse piece, beautiful printed one, and this one is full base. Very nice one, pure organza Banarasi with digital print. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also same pure organza Banarasi border, digital printed one, full base part is checks design. Very exclusive, outstanding looks. This one full base part. Let me open. This one is full base, beautiful digital printed one, and color combinations also very beautiful, smart one. Golden zari base, golden zari checks pattern base part, and this one border portions fine golden zari weaving Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, and this golden zari fine checks with beautiful digital printed one, and this one full base part very smart elegant looks. Full base part is checks golden zari. This one is beautiful fine golden zari weaving Banarasi border. This one is border portions and digital printed one, very smart exclusive outstanding looks. And this one running blouse piece, very nice on soft comfortable smart trendy looks, fashionable. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, very elegant looks. Brown, golden brown shade, matka base, golden zari border sorry, golden zari weaving polka design, full base part, soft comfortable smart elegant looks. This one full base part brown golden shade you can say, and this one is golden zari border. This one is golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving golden zari weaving polka design. Full base is matka base, soft comfortable one, pure handloom. And this one is muslin portion. This one is muslin part, pallu in with beautiful golden zari weaving design work. Pallu part very elegant one, fully hand weaving design. Pallu muslin pallu black with golden zari weaving design, very nice one. And this one is full base part weaving polka design, beautiful elegant color combination. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive smart very elegant color combinations and looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also very nice smart elegant exclusive looks, premium quality pure resham silk with beautiful weaving design, full base part, very smart trendy looks. This one is full base part light sky blue shade, highlighted golden zari piping, and full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving stripes pattern, diagonally stripes pattern design. This one is diagonally stripes, pure resham base, and this one is pallu in golden zari fine stripes and pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant smart looks, transparent. This one is transparent portion resham silk with diagonally work golden zari weaving diagonally stripes pattern design, full base part, beautiful color sky blue shade, light sky blue. And this one is matka base running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive outstanding looks, transparent base, diagonally work, and full beautiful buta work also, thread weaving. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks, smart also. Also very beautiful one muslin Banarasi fully hand weaving work and beautiful color combinations, pure muslin silver zari weaving border design, very nice one smart elegant looks. This one full base part, very nice one. This one is border portions, fully silver zari fine weaving design Banarasi work border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, transparent base, muslin base, transparent pure handloom with beautiful silver zari weaving design, hand weaving design Banarasi work border. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu also very beautiful one, stripes work, beautiful silver zari weaving design, stripes with buta work, very elegant smart bright fresh looks, bright also. This one is full base, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks, best for your party wear. This one orange fresh bright orange shade with beautiful weaving jamdani work, golden zari border and full base part is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive looks. This one very bright, also bright orange golden zari border, and this one is muslin base with beautiful hand weaving colorful threaded weaving design jamdani work. Half portion is muslin jamdani work, and this one pallu and matka base stripe sequin design pallu. This one is pallu in matka with sequin stripes, and this one is half portion is muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This portion is muslin upper base part, and this one split section. This one is matka base with sequin stripes design like pallu, patli pallu pattern. This one is pleats. This one is upper base part muslin transparent jamdani work, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is upper base part with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Very exclusive, outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also very beautiful sober color combinations, peach shade, light peach, golden zari border, muslin base, pure handloom with beautiful jamdani work border portions and full base part sequin stripes. Very smart, trendy looks. This one is golden zari border, this one is muslin base and upper base part stripes pattern sequin design. Very smart looks. And this one border portions fully hand weaving threaded jamdani work border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful fine weaving design jamdani work, traditional jamdani work pallu, fully hand weaving work. Beautiful one. And this one full base part, very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one is border portions, heavy jamdani work, golden zari highlighted border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is upper base part sequin stripes. Very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Then also very beautiful color combinations, elegant looks, baby pink base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Let me open tissue muslin, very exclusive one. This one is tissue muslin baby pink base, have golden sign tissue muslin weaving. This one is border portions, and this one is full base part, have golden sign with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, full base part. Very soft, comfortable one, pure handloom tissue muslin with jamdani. Very exclusive, outstanding, smart looks. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work, full base part tissue muslin base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part hand weaving jamdani work tissue muslin. Very exclusive, outstanding looks. Traditional with modern touch, very nice one, exclusive, outstanding one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. This one also very beautiful bright color combinations with traditional jamdani work. Very nice one, bright looks based for your party wear obviously. This one full base part muslin base with bright yellow shade golden zari border sorry, and full base part is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, full base. This one is full base part, fully jamdani work muslin base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, pallu in fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, transparent pure muslin with jamdani work. Very exclusive, smart, outstanding looks, bright yellow shade. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. This one also a beautiful traditional one, bright color combinations. This one is matka base, golden zari border, full border portions, beautiful jamdani work, very bright traditional looks. This one full base part beautiful color combinations, grayish blue shade, you can say grayish blue, and this one is golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving work, and this one is matka base, premium quality, soft and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, muslin pallu, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work pallu, fully hand weaving work, highlighted contrast golden zari stripes with beautiful jamdani work, very nice one. And this one full base part, matka base, border portions golden zari with jamdani work, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks, trendy traditional looks. So beautiful one, pure muslin jamdani, very elegant color combinations, also golden zari border and full base part is pure muslin, transparent weaving polka design, full base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work on border portions. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, soft comfortable golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, and this one is full base part weaving polka design, very smart one. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and pallu in this stripes design, sequence stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very elegant, smart, trendy looks. And this one full base part, very nice one. This one is full base weaving polka design, multicolor weaving polka design. This one is border portions, pure muslin, transparent and golden zari border and beautiful weaving border design, jamdani weaving, very elegant, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, outstanding traditional looks. So bright color combinations, fresh magenta pink with contrast golden zari border and contrast color threaded weaving design, jamdani work border and full base part is beautiful multi-color weaving polka design, very elegant, bright one. This one is golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving work, and this one full base part, beautiful weaving polka design, very smart, bright, fresh looks. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, soft, comfortable, obviously premium quality, pure muslin jamdani. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, fully hand weaving jamdani work, and base part is weaving polka design, very exclusive, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy traditional bright looks. Beautiful color combinations, very nice one, same pattern, same material, pure muslin, golden zari border, border portions jamdani work, golden zari weaving polka design, base part, very elegant, bright, smart looks. This one is full base part, premium quality, soft golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving work, and this one is full base part weaving polka design. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and pallu in this fine sequence stripes design, very elegant one. And this one full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful one, transparent, and this one is border portions, hand weaving jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece part, very nice one, smart, elegant, exclusive, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your traditional trendy looks. And today I have did a beautiful saree, very beautiful one, pink base digital printed one, pure organza silk golden zari weaving Banarasi border, and full base part is smart checks design, golden zari checks, pink base, baby pink base with fully digital printed one Banarasi work border. This one is pallu, pallu in fine golden zari stripes with beautiful digital printed one, and this one is Banarasi weaving border design. Very exclusive, smart, elegant looks with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.